The last thing I want to show you guys is the output engine. And this is kind of like your last level of effects that you want to add in. And we kept it pretty simple. We gave you a stereo, like a stereo imager, transient attack, equalizer, and a compressor to kind of just finally, put that final polish on it. So I'll hit stereo here and let's listen to it without it first. Let's just throw in these loops and I'll turn on the stereo. Let's increase that stereo spread. Whew. And then you can add in a transient attack. And it just makes those loops just hit that much harder. You know what I mean? So that's that. But then you got a regular EQ. And you can say, I want to increase some mids. And I can choose that frequency that I really want to enhance. Same with my highs. Really make it into what I want. And then I can add a compressor. Lower the threshold. Change my ratio, maybe a 2-to-1. Or full on limiting, I can go like 10-to-1. So either way, I can control that however I want. So I think it's really, really cool. Again, you combining the output engine with the rhythm engine and the effects engine and the main engine and the engine and the little engine that could and all of that good stuff like that. And you'll be able to have the ultimate workstation for creating and fine tuning and making the loops that you've always dreamed of, creating the best loops of your life. That's our goal. That's what we set out to do with this. And I think we accomplished the mission, giving you all of that. So that is pretty much everything when it comes to Loop Elements Deluxe. Hope this video helped you. Hope it blessed you. All of those good things like that.